Welcome to another episode of Spelling Bee Ninja, where we unlock the fascinating world of science. Today, we dive deep into environmental science, a field dedicated to understanding the interactions between living organisms and their surroundings. We'll explore the concepts of ecosystems, biodiversity, conservation, and the pressing environmental challenges facing our planet. So, whether you're passionate about nature or just curious about how our world works, this episode has something valuable for you. Let's embark on this adventure together. Environmental science is an essential discipline that examines the complex relationships among the physical, chemical, and biological components of our environment. Imagine everything around you: the air you breathe, the water you drink, the plants and animals in your surroundings. All of these elements are interconnected, forming a vast web of life that affects all of us. Environmental scientists are like detectives of the natural world. They investigate issues such as pollution, climate change, biodiversity loss, and the depletion of resources. Their main goal? To find sustainable solutions that can help us protect our planet for future generations. Now, let's delve into the concept of ecosystems. An ecosystem is a community of living organisms interacting with their non-living environment. These interactions can be fascinating. For example, think of a tropical rainforest where thousands of species coexist, or a vast desert where life adapts in unique ways. Biomes, such as the tundra or temperate forests, are large geographical areas defined by their climate and the types of flora and fauna that thrive there. You might be wondering, which of these biomes holds the key to the highest biodiversity? The answer is tropical rainforests, teeming with life. Biodiversity is crucial as it refers to the variety of life on Earth. This diversity exists at three levels: genetic diversity within species, species diversity, which is the number of different species present, and ecosystem diversity, which includes the variety of habitats that exist. A rich tapestry of biodiversity makes ecosystems more resilient to disturbances like droughts or diseases. However, despite its importance, biodiversity is under threat largely due to human activities. Habitat destruction, pollution, and climate change are significant pressures on our natural worlds. Speaking of climate change, this phenomenon refers to long-term shifts in temperatures and weather patterns largely driven by human actions. The burning of fossil fuels plays a significant role in this shift by releasing greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane. Understanding what leads to climate change is essential for us to find effective ways to combat it. Just like our energy needs, climate change is also linked to various agricultural practices and deforestation, making it one of the most pressing challenges we face today. To tackle these issues, renewable energy offers a powerful solution. Renewable energy comes from sources that naturally replenish, such as solar, wind, and hydroelectric power. Each of these sources emits little or no greenhouse gases compared to fossil fuels, making them crucial in our fight against climate change. For instance, harnessing the sun's energy through solar panels is one way we can generate cleaner electricity. Now, let's discuss pollution. Pollution is the entry of harmful substances into our environment, negatively impacting human health, ecosystems, and the economy. It manifests in various forms, including air, water, and soil pollution, as well as noise and plastic pollution. For example, air pollution alone is responsible for approximately 7 million premature deaths every year. Among the various types of pollution, artificial light pollution often goes unnoticed, yet it disrupts ecosystems and wildlife behaviors. Thus, understanding pollution helps us protect both our health and the planet. Conservation ties directly into this conversation. It involves protecting and managing natural resources like wildlife and forests to prevent their depletion. Sustainable practices ensure that we meet our present needs without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs. It's a balancing act that considers environmental, economic, and social factors. One prime example of sustainability is the practice of recycling materials to reduce waste, which can significantly conserve resources and energy. In the realm of conservation, it's essential to be aware of endangered and threatened species. An endangered species faces a very high risk of extinction, while a threatened species is still at risk but not quite there yet. The International Union for Conservation of Nature maintains a red list to categorize species based on their risk of extinction. Protecting these species is crucial for maintaining the ecosystems they inhabit. Water is another vital resource that is sustained through the water cycle. This cycle involves processes like evaporation, where liquid water transforms into vapor, and condensation, where vapor forms clouds, ultimately leading to precipitation. This cycle is powered by the sun and gravity and demonstrates how interconnected our environment truly is. Lastly, everyone has a role in protecting the environment through individual actions and collective advocacy. The 3 rupees, reduce, reuse, and recycle, provide a solid foundation for making impactful choices. But it's important to remember that reducing consumption is the most effective strategy. Simple acts like turning off lights, saving water, and using public transportation can significantly reduce our environmental footprint. By planting trees, composting, supporting local products, and advocating for sound environmental policies, we all contribute to a healthier planet. Today, we explored the vibrant field of environmental science, which connects various disciplines to understand the web of interactions in our world. We delved into ecosystems, discovering the unique characteristics of biomes and the importance of biodiversity in ensuring ecosystem resilience. We also discussed the pressing issue of climate change, sources of renewable energy, and the various forms of pollution that impact our health and environment. Alongside, we highlighted conservation efforts, the significance of protecting endangered species, and the critical role of the water cycle. Finally, we learned that individual actions can lead to collective change in protecting our planet. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through environmental science. We hope you walk away with a deeper appreciation for our planet and a commitment to contribute to its protection. Remember, small actions can make a big difference. Stay curious, keep exploring, and don't forget to tune in next time for more exciting science adventures with Spelling Bee Ninja.